Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wish to do a full room tour of a Category 4C Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with Verandah. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a decent amount of space for everyone.
Now this particular room is part of what people are calling the bump out area of the ship. Essentially the side of the ship has a big curve to it, which means some of the rooms have wider verandas than the others, but it also means some of them, like this particular stateroom, are kind of on a curve. So one part of the veranda is really small and the other part is a lot bigger. So you'll see when we get there in the tour.
Let's go check it out.
All right, when we first come into the room here, over on the right, we have our closet space. We have 3 separate sections of the closet here. The first one, we've got our closet rod with some hangers and a few Disney Cruise Line robes there. There's some storage up top with our life jackets and some space down below where you can store your luggage. And then the middle section, you're gonna find some shelving, so you have some storage space with that. There's a safe down below and then a little bit more storage down there on the bottom. And then the third section of the closet, additional hanging space with those hangers, and you'll see the ladder there for your pull down upper berth that we'll see across the room in a minute. The very end of the closet section here, they did install some little shelves, just making use of the extra space there on the end cap. We have the split bathroom layout in here with 2 separate bathrooms. The first section is where you're gonna find your toilet and your vanity. You can see a couple shelves on the wall over there. You also have a lighted mirror right over here. We've got some shelves on this wall too. And then our vanity has just a little bit of counter space on it and some storage down below. And you have that H2O liquid hand soap over there. The other half of the bathroom is where you're gonna find your tub and your shower combo. They've got the glass doors on the tub shower combo now. This does open in or out, whichever way you wanna do it. They've got a single detachable shower head as the option in here. A few little shelves with the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash H2O products. And then we have a single vanity, a little bit more counter space on this one, some storage on that little shelf down below, some more glass shelves over on the wall on the right, and then the lighted mirror there on the wall. We have a full-length mirror on the back of this bathroom door as well. And then coming into the main part of the room, we have a queen-size bed. There is storage underneath the queen-size bed. We've got a little bed runner down here with the Disney Wish logo on it, as well as the Disney Cruise Line logo. And you'll see on the bed that yellow bag there. That is a Disney Wish exclusive blanket and pillow set that can be purchased on the Disney Cruise Line website and will be waiting for you in your stateroom when you arrive. We've got the Cinderella theming here in this room. So the mural behind the bed is this beautiful scene from Cinderella, and the little sparkly pieces are actually foil, so they do sparkle thanks to that light right there in the ceiling, and you can control that independently if you'd like to here in the room. On the side of the bed, we have a small little nightstand table that has a drawer. We've got a lamp with a little Mickey head on there. That's one of the few Mickeys we found in this room. The others are actually right over here on the pillowcase, embroidered in the corners of the pillowcase. We have a small reading lamp right here, and then we have an outlet down below that is a 220 outlet with 2 USB outlets built into that as well. Our TV is on the wall here at the foot of the bed, and on the other side of the bed, we have the same setup with the lamps and the reading light and the little dresser table there, but we have different wall outlets. We have regular wall outlets and 2 USBs and a USB-C port there as well. We have a curtain here you can use to divide the room in half, does a great job. And then over here we have 2 beds. We have a pull down upper berth that your stateroom host can assist you with, and that ladder does go to that. And we have the couch here that folds down into a twin size bed directly on top of the couch, so you don't need to worry about moving things around or having extra floor space taken up. And I love that they added these little tables to the rooms here. They slide right under the couch and don't take up much floor space, which is a great addition. We've got a beautiful piece of artwork here on the wall from the Cinderella movie, fairy godmother turning the pumpkin into a coach. And then across from the beds here, we have a dresser. Decent amount of storage on the dresser with the shelves up on the wall and the lighted mirror there. You can see your stateroom phone is also here on the dresser. This drawer is where you're gonna find your ordering forms for room service in the morning, and then this drawer is where you're gonna find your hair dryer. That does plug in here on the dresser into the 220 outlet right there with those 2 USBs on top of it. You also have regular wall outlets here with 2 more USBs and a USB-C. And our mini fridge in this room, I've gotta point out, is the drawer down here. They have the new drawer style mini fridges in all the staterooms here. And then our chair over here in the corner We have a chair and a little ottoman with a piece of artwork above it. Jacques and Gus, of course, from Cinderella, and the connecting door to the stateroom next door if you happen to have both of those. And then where the Murphy bed would be in this stateroom if it slept 5, we've got a giant mirror there. So you do have a little bit of extra space since the room could sleep 5 and only has bedding for 4. We're gonna go out and check out the veranda. It is a little bit different because we're on the bump out section of the ship, what some people are calling it. It's a little bit weird because the ship kind of curves right here where the verandas are. So you'll see over on the left-hand side, the veranda is actually smaller than a standard veranda. You got a chair over there, the little table here. And as you go past that to the right, it gets a little bigger. So then the rooms just past us have even more space on the veranda, just slightly more as the ship kind of has this curved edge to it along the verandas here. But a decent amount of space out there, even being here at the edge of the so-called bump out part of the ship. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 4C Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with veranda here on the Disney Wish.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe.
And check out the channel for tons of other stateroom tours on all the Disney Cruise Line ships and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.